Hi guys, quick update. So the floor pan is finally welded in. I also had to make some pads here. So I still need to grind all the welds. But yeah, finally it's done. I decided to make some patches in there. But anyhow, it's done. And I can move to the passenger side. Some frame truck box work has to be done. The floor pan is rusted. So a lot of things to do. That's not so bad. But it's all gone. So I think I have to change the whole door box. The floor support also. Yeah. I have to start taking the seat riser off and then just cut it. I think that came quite nicely. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.